Hello my dear students, myself Smitha Salim. Today we are going to discuss about current to pressure converter. So let us see what is a current to pressure converter. So this is an instrument that is used to convert an electrical signal to pneumatic signal. So this is usually convert an electrical signal of 4 to 20 milliampere from a controller into an air pressure signal of 3 to 15 psi, which is used to operate a pneumatic control valve or positioner. So you can see the block diagram here. So here there is a controller and an I to P converter, and there is a control valve also there. So when a controller decides to open or close a control valve, accordingly a signal of 4 to 20 milliampere is sent to the control valve. So this is an I to P converter that is used to convert a signal of 4 to 20 milliampere to 3 to 15 psi. So we will see the working principle of an I to P converter. So this works on the principle of electromagnetic force balance. So that is the process of converting an electric current into force. So you can see the block diagram here. So there is an electric current that is converted to corresponding force, then to pressure. So there are many designs for this I to P converter, but the basic working always involves the use of flapper nozzle system arrangement. So we will see a flapper nozzle arrangement. We can see a flapper here and a nozzle here. There is an air gap between this flapper and nozzle. This is the air gap. This flapper is pivoted at one end, and free at the other end, so that it has some degree of flexibility to move up and down. And a ferromagnetic material is attached at the free end of the flapper. A nozzle is present near this flapper. So you can see a nozzle here. So a supply pressure of 20 psi is applied. Supply pressure of 20 psi is passed through this nozzle. If the nozzle is covered and no air is passed through the nozzle, then all the input pressure 20 psi will be received at the output. If the nozzle is not completely covered, then air escape through the nozzle, and then the output pressure will be less than 20 psi. So here an air regulator is used to regulate the supply pressure. So when the current from the controller passes through the coil wound around the permanent magnet, a magnetic field is produced. The electromagnet then attract the ferromagnet attached to the free end of the flapper. Then the flapper move downwards towards the coil. The stronger the current flowing through the coil, stronger will be the attraction between the magnet and the flapper. The flapper and nozzle air gap is less than this time, so most the air passes through the output. So the system is set up in such a way that 4 milliampere current flows through the then 3 psi pressure flows, then 20 milliampere correspond to 15 psi pressure. Thank you.